Hello, space enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Welcome to our channel, your gateway to the cosmos. We're here to quench your thirst for knowledge about the universe around us. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating topic, frightening cosmic events that will happen in your lifetime. Yes, you heard it right. We'll be venturing into the depths of space, revealing the chilling yet captivating events that our universe has in store. So buckle up and get ready to journey through the cosmos as we explore these awe-inspiring events. Have you ever imagined our Milky Way in a cosmic collision? Well, brace yourselves. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, galaxies are not static. They move, they change, they interact. One such interaction we're destined to experience is with our colossal cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. As we speak, Andromeda is hurtling towards the Milky Way at an astonishing speed of nearly 70 miles per second. But what does this mean for us? What happens when two galaxies collide? Well, it's not as catastrophic as it sounds. Despite the billions of stars each galaxy holds, the vast distances between individual stars mean that direct collisions are extremely unlikely. Instead, as our galaxies merge, they will undergo a gravitational dance, twirling and twisting around each other, altering their shapes in the process. This process, known as galactic collision, is not an overnight event. It's a slow, majestic ballet that will unfold over billions of years. As the galaxies get closer, the gravitational pull between them will distort their shapes, creating spectacular trails of stars and gas, known as tidal tails. As the galaxies continue to interact, their spiral structures will be stretched and warped. Eventually, after billions of years of interaction, the two galaxies will merge to form a single elliptical galaxy. Our familiar spiral Milky Way and the grand design of Andromeda will be no more. Instead, we'll be part of a new, larger galaxy, born from the cosmic collision of two ancient celestial entities. That's right, our Milky Way is scheduled for a major makeover, but before you start picturing yourself floating amidst a chaotic mess of stars and cosmic debris, let's put things into perspective. This colossal convergence is estimated to occur in about 4 billion years. So, while the thought of our home galaxy colliding with another might seem alarming, it's actually a natural, albeit slow, cosmic process, and one that, despite its scale and grandeur, is unlikely to affect life on Earth, at least as we know it. But don't start packing your space bags just yet. This cosmic event is still 4 billion years away. Moving closer to home, did you know our very own sun could unleash a catastrophic superflare? Let's take a step back and understand what we're talking about. A solar superflare, in simple terms, is a mega explosion on the sun's surface, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. It's like a regular solar flare, but on a much, much larger scale. While solar flares are common occurrences, a superflare is a rare and much more powerful event. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal lies in the sheer power of these superflares and the potential havoc they could wreak on our technology-dependent society. Think about it. We live in a world where technology is woven into the very fabric of our lives. From our smartphones to our computers, from our power grids to our satellites in space, we rely on technology for practically everything. Now, imagine a day when all these come to a grinding halt. A day when your phone doesn't work, the lights go out, and the satellites that help us navigate our world go offline. That's the kind of chaos a solar superflare could cause. When a superflare erupts, it sends out a wave of charged particles, known as a coronal mass ejection. If this wave hits the Earth, it could cause geomagnetic storms that could fry our electrical grids and damage our satellites. The last time a superflare hit the Earth was in the 1850s, an event known as the Carrington event. It caused telegraph wires to go haywire, sparking fires and causing widespread disruptions, and that was in a world far less dependent on technology than ours. So, while we enjoy our sunny days, remember the sun holds some powerful secrets. Not to cause undue alarm, but to remind us that we live in a cosmic neighborhood that's as fascinating as it is unpredictable. And as we continue to explore the cosmos, we're learning more about these celestial phenomena and how to protect our blue planet from their potential impacts. Ever felt like you're being pulled apart? Well, our universe might just agree with you. Imagine you're a tiny dot floating in an ever-expanding balloon. As the balloon grows, you find yourself moving further and further away from the other dots. This is a simplified picture of how our universe, too, is expanding. The galaxies, like the dots on our balloon, are drifting apart, distancing from each other as the fabric of space stretches. This cosmic expansion, first proposed by Edwin Hubble in the early 20th century, has profound implications for the future of galaxies, stars and planets, including our own. The universe isn't just growing, it's accelerating in its expansion, pushed by a mysterious force we call dark energy. But what does this mean for us, for the Milky Way and its neighboring galaxies? Well, as we zoom out from our own cosmic neighborhood, we'd see galaxies getting more and more distant over time. The stars we gaze upon today would gradually disappear from view, leaving us in a universe that's darker and lonelier than we could ever imagine. Yet there's a silver lining to this cosmic drama. Even as the universe expands, new stars and galaxies will continue to form from the cosmic dust and gas within their gravitational reach. This means that while some celestial bodies recede, new ones will take their place, keeping the cosmic cycle of birth and death alive. And what about our own planet? Will Earth be torn apart as the universe expands? Fear not. The gravitational forces within our own galaxy are strong enough to keep us together. Earth, along with the rest of the Milky Way, will continue to exist as an island universe in an ever-expanding sea of space. As we race towards infinity, the universe continues to surprise us with its intriguing mysteries. And while we may feel small in this grand cosmic scheme, remember, we're a part of this fascinating story. As the universe expands, so does our understanding of it. So let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the wonders of our ever-expanding cosmic home. Imagine witnessing a star's dramatic finale, an explosion so bright it outshines its galaxy. That's a supernova for you. Now, what exactly is a supernova? In the simplest terms, it's the explosive death of a star. But it's not just any star that can go supernova. Typically, it's stars that are at least 8 times the mass of our sun that meet this explosive fate. These stars live fast and die young, burning through their nuclear fuel at an astonishing rate. When they've exhausted their fuel, they can no longer support their own weight against the relentless pull of gravity. The star's core collapses, triggering a shock wave that blasts the outer layers into space. The result? A supernova. But it's not just the star that's affected. The energy released in a supernova is so immense that it can have profound effects on nearby celestial bodies. It can trigger the formation of new stars in surrounding gas clouds, or it can strip away the atmospheres of nearby planets, leaving them bare and exposed. And what about the star itself? After the explosion, all that remains is the core. If the star was massive enough, this core will collapse into a neutron star, or even a black hole, creating yet another cosmic marvel. But here's the thing that really boggles the mind. These stellar explosions are happening constantly across the universe. At any given moment there are probably hundreds of supernovae lighting up the cosmos, and yet, they're so far away that we rarely get to see them. The last supernova, visible to the naked eye from Earth, occurred over 400 years ago. So while the chances of witnessing a supernova in our lifetime are slim, the thought that such an event could occur at any moment adds a thrilling sense of wonder to our night sky. It's a reminder of the immense power and beauty of the universe, and of the spectacular, ever-changing nature of the cosmos. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, remember each one holds the potential for a spectacular celestial show. Well, that was quite a ride, wasn't it? We've journeyed through the vast and mysterious expanse of the cosmos, from the impending collision with the Andromeda Galaxy to the technological threats posed by solar storms. We've raced towards the infinite expanses of the universe, only to be halted by the awe-inspiring spectacle of a stellar explosion. Each of these cosmic events, while fascinating, brings with it a certain degree of trepidation. The thought of our own Milky Way merging with Andromeda may seem daunting, but it's a dance of celestial bodies that has been choreographed over billions of years. Likewise, solar storms, while posing a significant risk to our technology-dependent society, serve as a stark reminder of our delicate position within the universe's grand scheme. Our race to infinity, though seemingly limitless, is punctuated by the cataclysmic beauty of stellar explosions. These celestial fireworks, while terrifying in their destructive power, are also the cosmic crucibles where elements heavier than helium are forged, contributing to the intricate tapestry of life as we know it. Our journey through these cosmic events is a testament to the paradoxical nature of the universe, a place of both exquisite beauty and terrifying power. It's a journey that leaves us in awe of the universe's grandeur and our place within it. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride, subscribe for more space exploration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.